Okay, we are back with another C#.NET nugget, and let's take a look right here. We have an animal class, and first of all, you need to be familiar with classes, all right? So what we've got is an animal class, and it's very simple. An animal has a name, like tiger or dog, and it has a number of legs. So a dog would have 4 legs, and maybe a human would have 2 legs, okay? Very simple. And the number of legs is an integer, and the name is a string. Okay, so in the past we have written a property, and you can do a lot with properties. You can manipulate things within. That's why you don't just have, these are not just properties, they are variables, but this is a property. A getter, that means you can get it, and a setter, that means you can set it. So in the past, this is how you would declare this, and let's make a use of it, okay? Animal, new animal, okay? Created a new dog. Dog has a name. What is it? It's a dog. Dog has a number of legs. It has 4 legs, okay? Now we've got a dog with 4 legs, and it is a dog, okay? Now, the value of what we're going to do is shorten this up. So we do not have to do it like this anymore. We can now now this has been around for a while, but these things you may not know about. So auto property initialization is done now this way. Get now we can do this, and guess what? We can get rid of name now. And we can get rid of number of legs here in a second. We return number of legs and number of legs equals to value. Don't forget your semicolon. Now that's much nicer and neater. It does the exact same thing. And everything still works, but we got rid of a lot of code. That's this nugget for today. Thank you for joining me.